Hey, bro.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, which state are you?
Uh, I'm from Maharashtra, India.
Oh, Maharashtra. Yeah, I know both of us are Indians, and you're
Okay.
from Maharashtra.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm from AP.
Where are you from?
I'm from AP, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So this is our first conversation, right, on this application. Could you walk me through introduction?
Yeah, okay, yeah. Bro, my name is Chakradhar. So many people call me Chakri,
Okay.
and I completed my BTech in 2021.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm from AP, Andhra Pradesh. My hometown is Dachepalli. Yeah, I'm a South Indian. I'm 26 years old guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
My name is JD. So, I'm 27 years old, and I'm quite
Oh,
yeah. I'm quite an
okay.
enigmatic person. I really like to indulge reading books about psychology. Okay.
Okay.
And currently, I'm working as an online spoken English teacher. It has been 8 months. Everything going gracefully.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, in my free time, I like to indulge reading books. I like to watch videos about personality development, as well as I like to explore rural villages, where I'm going to find a different tradition, the way they're accustomed with the lifestyle. It's a different. I like to those things, which is kind of, surrounded by the nature, connected with the nature.
Okay.
That's all about me.
Yeah. You just wear a cap of military cap. It just look like a military cap. I think. Oh, it's U.S. Polo. Yeah. Okay.
That's all.
Actually, I think myself. I think he's a soldier, Indian Army person.
They look like I'm a soldier. Yeah, that I will take that as a compliment, man. Like, um, yeah, soldier has a good personality. They have good demeanor, different aura.
Yeah. How long have you been used this platform?
3 months only. Like, recently, I have joined this platform. I came across with the platform with a girl. There was a channel. I was kind of browsing there on a channel. I come across with her
Okay.
video, and in that video, she mentioned about this application. She had made a couple of videos by using this application. I thought, okay, it's cool. It's looking cool. So why shouldn't I try it? So I give it a try. I give it a shot, and now we are having conversation. As simultaneously, I'm
Okay.
running a YouTube channel as well, where going to upload this video if you give me permission.
As you wish. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I haven't used this application with this platform since 1 month. I just want to try to improve my communication skills. That's the main
Uh-huh.
reason.
Yeah.
And while I'm watching YouTube, I'm just search about how to improve communication skills. Can you please suggest me any free websites? Then the YouTube shown me
Mhm.
episode and about the platform. Then I'm just download. But this platform is available those devices, two devices, one laptop and another one is the mobile phone.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Actually, yeah, you can speak in English fluently and very well than me. That's why I ask you how long have you been use this platform?
Well, in 3 days only.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh. In a few months, I'm going to move to the national to international place. I got an official letter, not offer letter. I got an official letter, Herasoyasis from Greece. The company is in Greece,
Mhm.
in Athens. So Delhi is a capital of our country. Just like that, Athens is the capital of Greece. So when I got the letter, official letter through my mail to my mail, and I'm just download all the documents and I send back it to the Delhi Greece embassy. So when they verify all the official letter, all the company, they verify all about the things. What kind of things that were considered in the official letter, like company name, then the shape of those kind of things. Once they verify, they send back me work permit visa to my mail, and
Yeah.
then I download all the visa documents, and I go to the Delhi to attend the visa interview. But I must and should improve my communication skills. That's why I chose this platform.
Uh,
That's it, bro.
why
Yeah.
don't you join any online classes or any hire any teacher in your hometown so you can have a conversation at least for half an hour, 1 hour. It will boost your communication in a short period of time. That's my
Uh,
recommendation for you.
okay. Is it okay? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say to you?
Yeah, your accent is
Is it
quite
okay?
good. Yeah, your accent is good, but I think you have to work on your fluency. I means in order to speak well, you have to speak a lot. You don't have to skip a day, right? Gap
Okay.
gap going to hurt your progress. So
Yeah,
yeah, so
that's
that
the main thing.
yeah, that's what I believe. I always show up. I have students. Handful of students. I'm teaching them. And simultaneously I have running channel. This is a channel is source of my income. I'm uploading my number over there, and this is how I'm getting students. So I believe as long as I am making videos, as long as I am improving my communication, I don't have to worry about it because I am building my future.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, once upon a time, I can speak in English fluently, like my mother tongue, my native language. But in 2024, April 21st, I got an accident. I was hit by a car. I fell on the divider. I went into coma for 2 months, and I just wake up and I almost get back to everything
Okay.
a little bit. Yeah, okay, we're going to meet a new partners. Bye, bro.